recently completed Honda Mini Trail Monkey. This bike's got a 110 motor in it. It's got blinkers, lights, it's street legal, and you can ride it on the road. New tires, wheels, new seat, got new paint. Choke off. There it goes. Got a full restore on this one. Beautiful bike. Candy apple red paint, two-tone with the white. These bikes are just fun. I'll get you a better look on this side. Got the front disc brake conversion and shocks. The chrome monkey side cover. It's also a 4-speed manual clutch. If you see any bikes you like on my channel, they're always for sale. I've been lately knocking out some nice monkey bikes. I usually sell them to collectors who buy these bikes. They're great for your children or even for yourself. Adults can ride them. They're fun. Great for camping as well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more cool stuff along the way.